In the center of Europe, in Ukraine, for more than 2 years, already Velta company has been carried out mining works to produce the natural titanium feedstock ilmenite. The main asset of the company is Birzulivsky mine. Mining works are carried out by the open pit method. Life of mine is estimated up to 35 years. To increase the production capacity, Velta aims to start the development of the similar deposit that is situated in just 7 kilometers distance from Birzulivsky. The annual capacity of the plant is about 2.5 million cubic meters of ore. In terms of marketable product, the plant capacity reach up to 170,000 tons of ilmenite per annum. The development of Likarivsky will increase this number to additional 120,000 tons annually. Ore is deslimed and processed under the traditional technology consisting of 3 main processes: desliming, removing of ore slimes in hydrocyclones, gravity concentration, separation of quartz sand and crude ilmenite at wet concentrators, magnetic separation. Crude ilmenite turns into final product after magnetic separators. The specially designed technology of magnetic separation allows to produce ilmenite of different quality. As a result of such a separation, Velta can produce 2 grades of material different in the content of the main chemical elements: titanium dioxide, iron oxide and iron dioxide. Such product diversity makes Velta a customer-oriented company to produce the best service to our clients, meeting their requirements of both metallurgical and chemical industry. This means that Birzulivsky ilmenite suits perfectly well different sectors of industry. High-grade titanium ilmenite with 56 minimum titanium dioxide content goes well into chloride pigment production, titanium slags, synthetic rutile and electrodes manufacturing. Lower grade 33% minimum titanium dioxide content material is approved for wide use into sulfate pigment process. To satisfy the demands of our customers at its best, Velta product is subject to the 3-stage quality control system. The first stage takes place just after the separation is over, during the loading the final product into the storage bins at the factory. The second stage is underway during the trucks being loaded for product delivery either to the loading station or directly to the customer. The third one, during the loading of the production into the wagons or containers at the loading station, after which the materials is shipped to the port or to the final customer. If agreed under the contract, the third stage quality control can be ensured by the internationally recognized independent surveying company such as SGS. Throughout the separation process, quality is carefully analyzed by the staff of the plant quality control laboratory. The ilmenite content, as well as the titanium content, is being studied regularly starting from the ore mine through all the stages of separation. The main method of analysis is wet chemistry. X-ray analysis is used to determine the impurities content. The loading facility is situated in 27 km distance from the plant. The distance to the Black Sea ports is about 320 km by railway. The complex has a storage capacity of 2,500 tons of ilmenite. Loading capacity 360,000 tons per annum. The delivery of the product can be effected according to the customer's request: in trucks by bulk, by railway bulk and railway wagons, by containers loaded directly at the loading station and taken by railway to the port, or by vessels in bulk from 3,000 up to 20,000 tons, accumulating the volumes at the port warehouse. Having gained by now our own experience in vessel shipment, Velta has elaborated a set of measures to protect and prevent the material from contamination and undesired humidity during the period of accumulation and storage of the material in the port. We have designed the special equipment to sieve carefully the material before its loading to the vessel. To protect ilmenite from humidity, a special film cover was ordered. Also, Velta has an option of ilmenite transportation using hoppers, covered wagons to protect the material on its way to the port. Several negotiations have been carried out ensuring the possibility for Velta to make shipments from the different ports of Black Sea according to the customer request. Ukrainian ilmenite produced by Velta meets the specific requirements of every customer and can be delivered to any place in the world. Stable and well-developed infrastructure, highly qualified personnel of engineers and technical specialists grown up from the Soviet educational base, perfect geographical location, carefully and precisely customer-oriented diversification of the product, wide range of delivery options, strict quality control at all the stages of production from the mine of the final destination chosen by the customer. All this makes Velta a unique, stable and reliable long-term partner at the market of titanium feedstock. October 2014. A fire disaster happened at the mining and separation plant of Velta company, resulting in 60% of production capacity loss. The fire completely destroyed factory number 1. It took the company 2 weeks after the accident to complete the restoration works that allowed to put factory number 2 that survived the fire into operation. Velta continued mining and separation of ilmenite concentrate at half capacity of the complex. The company started its hard way from rebuilding of Factory 1 to putting the plant into operation at full nameplate capacity. During 6 months, all necessary expertises were held. All works for disassembling of destroyed equipment and metal constructions were conducted. The company received the first repayment amounts from the insurance companies. September 2015. Using company-owned funds and insurance repayments, Velta started to recover production units lost in fire. In fact, it became the new construction from scratch. Company designers, using previous experience, significantly optimized production processes. Improved fire control system was developed. May 2016. The process of rebuilding of factory number 1 that was lost during the fire went into the final stage. The company is completing installation of non-standard technological equipments. Installation of main equipment is finished. Spiral separators from Multitech Company, Republic of South Africa. The total amount of investments reached $6.5 million. Factory number 1 is scheduled to be put into operation in October 2016. The next step of mineral and separation plant will be to reach full nameplate capacity of 270,000 tons of ilmenite per year.